In 2026, fuel efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about smarter technology and a greener drive. If you're searching for a sedan that delivers excellent mileage without sacrificing comfort or style, these 4 cars are leading the way. Let's take a closer look at the most fuel-efficient cars of 2026 that will keep both your wallet and the planet happy. Number 4. 2026 Volkswagen Jetta. Starting price at $25,000. The Jetta has always been known as a smart, affordable German sedan. The 2026 model continues that legacy with clean styling, practical features, and a comfortable driving experience, all at a price that makes it a strong value pick. The 2026 Jetta is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and an EPA-estimated 33 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, making it an efficient choice for daily commuting. Inside, the Jetta offers a comfortable cabin with seating for 5 and a 14 cubic foot trunk for ample cargo space. The base model comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen, while higher trims feature an 8-inch display. Standard technology includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance features, ensuring convenience and connectivity for every ride. All 2026 Jetta models are equipped with Volkswagen's comprehensive safety suite, which includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features work together to keep passengers safe and provide peace of mind on every drive. Number 3. 2026 Hyundai Elantra. Price range: $23,500 to $31,500. Hyundai keeps raising the bar, and the 2026 Elantra proves it. With bold styling, high-tech features, and excellent fuel efficiency, this sedan shows you don't have to spend big to get modern design and quality. A 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission, turbocharged engine. A 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 201 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Hybrid powertrain. A 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, producing a total of 139 horsepower, coupled with a continuously variable transmission. Elantra N. A high-performance 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating 276 horsepower, available with a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Inside, the Elantra boasts a modern and spacious cabin with seating for 5. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of advanced safety features. Higher trims offer additional amenities such as a 10.25-inch touchscreen, premium audio system, and wireless device charging. Every 2026 Elantra comes equipped with Hyundai's SmartSense suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add features like adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system. Number 2. 2026 Toyota Camry. Price range: $30,195 and goes up to $37,920. Sitting at the top of the list, the 2026 Toyota Camry continues to dominate the midsize sedan category. With proven reliability, improved efficiency, and a design that appeals to both families and professionals, it's no surprise this sedan holds the #1 spot. The 2026 Camry offers a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors. delivering a total of 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive versions add a third motor, increasing the combined output to 232 horsepower. Both configurations are paired with a continuously variable transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. Inside, the Camry boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The base LE trim comes equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims offer a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Every 2026 Camry is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Higher trims offer additional safety features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Number 1. 2026 Toyota Corolla. Price range: $23,920 to $30,000. The world's best-selling nameplate, the Toyota Corolla, returns for 2026 with even more refinement. Known for unmatched reliability and efficiency, the Corolla continues to be the go-to choice for drivers who value trust and practicality. The standard gasoline model uses a 2.0-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard. Fuel economy is estimated at 32 miles per gallon city, 41 miles per gallon highway, 35 miles per gallon combined. There's also a hybrid variant, a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder plus electric motor setup with combined output of 138 horsepower, available in front-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive. Inside, the Corolla offers a clean design, modern infotainment, and smart connectivity. All trims support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer more upgrades like better materials and the larger digital cluster. The hatchback body style, where available, adds versatility in cargo layout and design flair. Every Corolla includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, features such as automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. With 2026, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are now standard on all trims. So, whether it's the practicality of the Corolla, the balanced performance of the Camry, the sleek efficiency of the Elantra, or the dependable mileage of the Jetta, each of these sedans proves that saving fuel doesn't mean losing out on features. But if we had to pick one all-around winner, the 2026 Toyota Corolla stands out as the ultimate money saver. Which one would you choose to drive home? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car insights.